Hi, we are M3R and we are going to break down the wall of environmental pollution. So pollution is a word that we hear every day and unfortunately a problem that we face in our daily life. Human activity has been affecting the environment for thousands of years, from the time humans exist. But especially during the last century, the intensive industrial processes and agricultural practices have been leading to the release of potentially toxic chemicals into the environment. The widespread presence of these pollutants negatively affects not only the human health, but all ecosystems, by limiting the availability of natural resources, such as soil for agricultural purposes and drinking water. So the future of our planet, and consequently our future as a species, depends on how much we care about our environment and our ability to restore what we have already damaged. Until now, conventional physico-chemical technologies have been mainly used to remediate a polluted environment, like soils or water. However, the high costs of these treatments, in terms of both money and energy, make the methods technically limited and poorly environmentally sustainable. Moreover, these technologies are not always effective and even dangerous, entailing additional risks due to the use and to the possible release of toxic molecules. The application of biological treatments as environmentally friendly and cost-effective technologies can minimize all these negative impacts. Our company is at the forefront of promoting the use of biotechnologies in the remediation of contaminated sites as a sustainable solution. Indeed, our goal is to respond to both environmental and societal issues by improving the quality of life of the community and by recovering and preserving the natural resources for the future generations. Today, more than before, we are aware of the generosity of the nature, and what we actually do is to exploit in the best way what nature still offers us, namely thousands of different microorganisms, fungi and plants, to remediate the polluted environments. Our approach is based on the study and the understanding of the potential of these living organisms that inhabit the environment, and to find the best strategies to take advantage of their potential to remove toxic molecules. To do this, we have set novel methodologies of molecular biology that allow us to gain insights into their microscopic world at a DNA level. In particular, thanks to the advanced genomic technologies, we are able to characterize in detail the microbial communities, and we can optimize case by case the bioremediation approach based on them.
So we provide innovative biomolecular analysis services like genomic sequencing to characterize microbial community structure and their functions in different contaminated environmental matrices. Indeed, starting from the study of these microorganisms, it is possible to find out the most suitable cleanup solutions and therefore to design a site-specific bioremediation strategy which is personalized for each case. Nowadays, thousands of tons of contaminated soils are mainly treated by chemical and physical procedures, but these solutions are quite expensive and they are not definitive, such as the excavation and transfer of contaminated soil into dump sites. But on the other hand, the biological cleanup solutions are safer and they are definitive, and their application can drastically reduce the cost of the management of contaminated sites, but mostly they can reduce the environmental impact of the conventional chemical procedures. The market of the remediation of contaminated sites is growing so fast during the last year due to the continuous request of clean water and clean land. And our current customers are mainly large industrial groups and oil companies, but in the next few years we would like to strictly collaborate with the public stakeholders and decision makers to influence the policy-making process and to promote the bioremediation as a green and sustainable solution. Our plan for the next years is to promote the bioremediation as an eco-friendly solution to the environmental contamination problem, and not only in Italy but also in the other European countries. And we will continue to invest money in R&D projects to develop new bio-based technologies that we can bring to the market. And of course, we will give back clean natural resources to our planet for the future generation.
We are M3R, a spin-off company of the University of Milano Bicocca.